Not to mention your exhaust is gonna look freaking sweet. Sorry if it looks dark on the camera. It's actually 8 o'clock and I just really wanted to get to this today, to be honest. Don't worry, I got some bright construction lights. Set something up so it looks daylight outside if it gets too dark. Best interior. I'll stay back here because this place is kind of congested. I normally use something like this. I just don't like the finish to it. And then I've even had this stick as well. Obviously it's not high heat. So I'm gonna end up going with 3 cans of this. I could go with the higher heat. Finish of this is just unmatchable. I mean, it's a beautiful paint. There we go. We got the high heat ultra, good gloss, black, shiny grill paint. Up, push to start. Beautiful. Even the seat belts in these are just nice. Forgot they play rock on this channel now. Start here. I want to go over everything that I have. I got this 3M respirator, which I'm going to change the pads out because I bought a kit for new pads on the side for better breathing. Because look at that, it's dark. And then I also got the paint right here. Rust-Oleum high heat, but this is a gloss, as you can see by the cap. This is an empty one. Hopefully 3 cans will be good enough. I did get started on already. Cleaner there and a towel. Of course, you could stand down, apply a high heat primer, and then put this on. This stuff is literally going to hold on just alone for a long time, as long as it's good as the other one I've been using. But Rust-Oleum has seemed to hold on no matter what product I use by them. Not a paid endorsement. Of course, we got the cat up there as well with the sensor. There's just a lot going on with it. Anyways, as you can see, I did put a layer on all the way up to here. I need to touch up some more spots, and I did get the drive shaft. Easy process. You scrub down the pipe a little and then you just spray it right on. I'm down to my last can. Figured I'd show you now how the process works before I'm all out of pain, then there's no point. But I went all the way up to where it mounts to the turbo. The way you want to do this is first just spray it down, and then you just take a towel and you give it a good scrub down. See all that dirt that just comes off there? And it's gonna be hard getting around in here and stuff. So then once you're ready, throw your respirator on and let her rip. Guys, there we go. Sorry about whatever happened with the video there. The GoPro just randomly died. Didn't think the battery was that low, but I guess it was. But we got her all painted up on both sides. I even got through here where it lets the exhaust cool down before it gets close to the body. But all the way around that, even the bottom of the pipe. And we went all the way back, past the DPF, past the cat, all the way up to the turbo. Up along the way, parts of the frame. Really how you do it, man. And once that dries, it's gonna last for years and years and years. Now I'm about to start her up to make sure I got all the drive shaft. What do we got here? Lock. Oh yeah. Close these. About to take the D-Max on a test drive. Brand new paved roads! Yeah! Oh, wow! Just made it here. Let me roll those windows up. Turn that down. Looking good back here. The more and more I look at this truck, the more and more I love it. Holy cow. Oh my. But at night. Exhaust, if you can see it. Damn, that is looking good. It dried up great. Walmart with a McDonald's. Freaking huge. Now here's something you don't see at the Walmart near my house. Sell tires here, but of course they're not the size that I'm looking for. 245, 70. Yeah, it's too small, man. 37 or 38, 13.5. Auto care center. Fishing stuff. Truck is freaking sick. Nylon rust protector. I would have gotten the same high heat stuff that I had before, but they did not have. There we go. We just took care of it all. Tire sticks out so much. Touched up around the front suspension, running board, underneath the frame, back here. Looking good. The tip. And then I also repainted both sides of the bracket. All right, let's get going. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. 2 of these videos in one day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Truck now, and let me just show you what's going on here first. First of all, there's my antenna. That thing is shaved off. That is completely broken. I'm gonna have to take this adapter out, and I have a new one in the windshield wiper blades fell down from the wind. And down here, don't mind the big mud. That is the exhaust connecting to the turbo. Right there is my connection, the exhaust, 5-inch out the back, gloss back piping, painted all the way back. There we go. Exhaust continues on all the way up to the front, and then you can see it curves up to the engine. A weld. I think that weld is somewhere, and that's why people are seeing smoke billowing out. Just gotta get that quick, gotta get that exhaust pipe in. Letter from GM, and it said important vehicle information on it. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As the important owner of a 2015 model year Chevrolet Silverado, your satisfaction with our product is very important to us. This letter is intended to make you aware that some 2015 model year Chevrolet Silverado vehicles equipped with the Duramax 6.6 liter V8 turbo diesel engine, where the exhaust turbocharger outlet pipe may have a bad weld. Turbocharger outlet pipe. At a stop or while driving, the customer may also smell exhaust gas. Burns on my face because I've driven this truck 26 degrees with the windows down. 5 years of the date your vehicle was originally placed in service or 100,000 miles. Condition will be repaired for you at no charge. And the rest of the form, the reimbursement form, and other special coverage information, and that's about it. 2015 up to 2017 year model truck. Got in trouble for the Dieselgate scandal, GM trucks, diesel software, the Volkswagen scandal, where if it's not being tested for emissions, when it can sense it's not being tested for emissions, pollute a lot more for performance wise. It would give you a lot more performance by doing that because it didn't have to go through all the emissions equipment 5 times the legal amount. I read an article about that. This truck probably does pollute 5 times as much. Truck's 365 Duramax diesel. Yes. Peace. Yeah, hello. Both trucks now have the air dams on the bottom. See that? It gets a good look. For the white truck, vacuum cleaned it again, wiped some stuff down, that's it. Oops. Holy crap, holy man, that is freaking bright. Gee, what is that? Move the camera off here. Hey. First thing, very easy. New battery connectors eventually. This is insane. Amp research. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this utter monstrosity. Got her out of there. I'll clean it up in there. This side over here should be a lot easier. There's not a billion things hooked up on this side. There it is. So it looks a lot better. Custom gloss black intercool piping. Close the hood, see if we can start it up again, and then move it over. Already went on the theft detection system. Some kind of backwoods garage back here. A bunch of freaking mud. It's gonna be sad to say goodbye. My window's up and then I didn't keep them down. Moon is out, if you can see it up there. So yeah, it is night right now. The security system came on. It wouldn't even start because that's what it disables. It disables everything on the truck. Hopefully I don't run into that where I throw the batteries in again. I even read that sometimes the horn will go off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up.